supplies last. Shop hundreds of organic options at your local store and find all your Prime member deals on the Whole Foods Market app.
Hi, my name's Colleen. This is my daughter Jillian.
I'm Dennis.
We're looking for 24A. Is that the next one?
Colleen and Dennis are actual SBLI customers.
I thought getting
Government.
life insurance would be complicated and lengthy, but with SBLI it was smooth and easy.
That's because SBLI specializes in giving customers a great experience, along with great prices.
Steve, the associate, made it less complicated. There was no pressure, no sales pressure. Steve was a great candidate.
Oh,
It's
Nobody
24B.
likes being treated as a sales figure.
You want
and with
24A?
SBLI, you never will be. We promise.
There was no hassle. There was no medical exam.
Going across the bridge.
With SBLI's accelerated underwriting, you can avoid a medical exam altogether.
I highly recommend SBLI to friends and family. Going with
46 of them
SBLI was
are.
the best choice I've made.
Visit SBLI.com or call 888-630-5000 to find out for yourself how life insurance should be. The Savings Bank Mutual Life Insurance Company of Massachusetts.
It's Dollar Down Days at Planet Fitness. Now through October 11th, you can join Planet Fitness for just $1 down, $10 a month, no commitment. So if you really
Kelly Clarkson show.
I was reading that, I thought I heard of that in the UK.
Have you?
Yeah.
your cup holder, oh, then there's that
Interesting.
fitness training in your sock drawer. Check every couch, cup holder, and coin purse. Enjoy October
Not-
11th for just $1.
I've heard him spoke about it, but not seen it, you know.
Right.
So it must be quite good.
Oh, that's better. It's cool down here. Here, 24 Government Centre. It's got to be it.
Yeah, we're right, 24A.
Phew.
Take your cities to the end zone when you shop at Shaw's, the official supermarket of the New England Patriots.
The average lifespan of the Eastern Gray Squirrel is 6.2 years. The average restaurant is 100% forgettable. Fortunately, there's not your
Oh,
average
there's
Joe's
people
with
over
made
there.
from scratch
Are we in
dishes and
Boston?
specialty
Yeah,
cocktails
and that's a
galore.
group of people,
On a tour.
Chinese, and you can see all the
Yeah,
hair.
yeah.
Auburn is getting carried away
Amazing.
with even more.
Anything good out there?
Looking fantastic.
Ah, no.
What?
No, next right turn. Well, the road was closed then for a minute.
Oh, we find a way around. Old Town Trolley Tours. That sounds good.
Wow, yeah.
So, are you looking for a Pacific? Oh, this is
This
great.
is nice.
Are you looking for a Pacific car park?
Yes.
Love the buildings. Oh, there's like.
This is not far from where we stayed.
Wow, this is looking good.
There's, in fact, there's a little meeting hall there. Look at that. I mean, that's the original where they met to plan the Tea Party, the Boston Tea
Oh
Party.
yes, we saw.
Remember it?
Yeah.
Our hotel is a stone's throw from it. In fact,
So, was our hotel cheap last time or something? Did we just pay expensive anyhow? Yeah, but we'll just see.
I remember this bit.
Yeah, this is fantastic. Look at that, the lion with the crown on his head. And the other lion, I don't quite know what the other lion's. Oh, they're playing sax. No, they're not. I thought they were playing saxophones, but then
Where are you looking? Oh,
on top
there.
of that building. But they're not saxophones. Yeah.
No, just a little scroll.
One's a unicorn.
Can't
and
go
one's
copper.
What copper? On the bike.
Yeah, you went.
All right. One's a unicorn, and how about
What's he doing?
how about that? A unicorn.
I
And
know.
unicorns are really popular now, and that was years ago. That's amazing. 'Cause you know unicorns are in at the moment.
I do. Why are they in? I know they are, but I don't know.
I don't
why.
know. You get these things. We got unicorn cake at work.
Have you?
Yeah, a unicorn Christmas presents are in all the shops for the kids. Kids are bringing in unicorns.
Let's go.
I won't distract you.